Hello everyone. So today's topic is logarithm. So here is the first question. Find the logarithm of log of bracket 1 upon 729 with the base as root 3. So here we can write 729 as 3 raised to 6. Okay. So here in the first step it is log then 1 upon 3 raised to 6 instead of 729, and base will remain root 3 only. Then 3 raised to 6 from denominator to numerator it becomes 3 raised to minus 6 like this. Okay, and other thing as it is only. Then after this logarithm of power formula, like log 3 raised to minus 6 becomes minus 6, then log, then 3, and then base root 3. Now here base is root 3, okay, and the value is 3. So we can write 3 as root 3 square. Okay, so in the next step minus 6 log of root 3 square and then base root 3. Then again logarithm of power. So again it will be like minus 6 into 2 and then log of root 3 with base root 3. And then we know one thing, that if it is same value and base same, we can write as what? 1. So minus 12 into 1 and then final answer is minus 12. So that is all about the first question. Now second question. Okay, write down the value of 4 raised to minus 2 log 3 with base 2. So here first thing is like we can write 4 as 2 square. Okay, so in the first step 2 square into remaining thing as it is only, that is minus 2 log 3 and base 2. Now here 2 into minus 2 becomes minus 4. So in the next step it is 2 raised to minus 4 log 3 with base what? 2. Then in the next step logarithm of power formula, so it becomes 2 raised to log 3 raised to minus 4, this number raised to, and then base what? 2. Now in logarithm we have one formula, okay, that is here on right hand side. If it is a raised to log m with base a, that means here these two are same. If these two are same, then your answer is directly the value, that is m. So here in our case it is 2 raised to log 3 raised to minus 4 base 2. So these two are same. So our answer is 3 raised to minus 4. And what is 3 raised to minus 4? 1 upon 81. So that is the final answer. Same way, third question. Solve 4 raised to x is equal to 1024. So first of all, we will convert this into logarithmic form and it becomes log, then this full bracket 1 upon 1024 with the base 4 equal to x. Okay, now we can write 1024 as 4 raised to 5. It's like 4 into 4 is 16, then again into 4 it is 64, then again into 4 it is 256, and again into 4 it is 1024. Okay, so 4 raised to 5. Now here this 4 raised to 5 is in the denominator. Like if I want to shift this thing in the numerator, it becomes 4 raised to minus 5. So in the next step it is like log 4 raised to minus 5 with the base 4 equal to what? X. Then again here logarithm of power. So it becomes minus 5 into remaining thing as it is log 4 with base 4 and equal to x. Then obviously if it is log 4 with base 4, these two are same, the answer for this part is 1. That means minus 5 into 1 is equal to x. So at the end x equal to what? Minus 5. And now the last question, that is the fourth one. Prove that log, then bracket, and inside the round bracket it is root of x square plus 1 and then minus sign in between and x. That is the closing of the first bracket. Then after that plus sign in between. then again log and again round bracket, and then root of x square plus 1, that is one term, then again plus sign and then x, and then closing bracket and equal to 0. So this is what we have to prove. Now here it is similar to logarithm of product formula, like log of this full part, this full bracket if we consider as a, and this bracket if we consider as b, then log of a, then plus sign log of b. So what is log of log a log b? Log a plus log b, it is equal to log a into b. So that is what we are going to write here. Like first of all we are writing question as it is, like LHS, and then question, that is log bracket and x square plus 1, then minus x, then again plus sign and log again bracket x square plus 1, then plus sign and x and close the bracket. Do not write this equal to and 0, that is actually by mistakenly. Okay, now in the next line, as I said, we have to use logarithm of product formula, so it becomes log of a into b. So first of all log, then a means this first bracket, then into sign here multiplication sign, and then second bracket, that is what, b. So now look at this bracket, it is similar to one more formula, like if we consider this root of x square plus 1 as a, okay, and if we consider x as b, so it is a minus b as one bracket and a plus b as what, second bracket. So a minus b one bracket and a plus b second bracket, it means a square minus b square. Okay, so that means a square means what, this is your a, root of x square plus 1 and full bracket square. So when it comes to square and root, it get cancelled, so it means only x square plus 1, this one, and then minus n, because a square minus b square, and what is b, x, so I am writing b square as what, x square. Now here again this x square and minus x square will get cancelled out, so it becomes log and only 1, and we know that log 1 with any base, if base is not given, still your answer is what, 0, and which is equal to what, right hand side. So thank you all.